In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize AutoCAD by creating your very own keyboard shortcuts. Customizing your shortcuts can greatly enhance your efficiency and speed up your workflow, allowing you to complete tasks in a fraction of the time. To begin, you'll want to open the Customize User Interface options within AutoCAD. This is where all the magic happens. Start by heading to the command line, type in CUI, and then press Enter. This will open up the Customize User Interface dialog box. Once you're inside, locate the section labeled Keyboard Shortcuts. You'll want to expand this section to reveal more options. As you do so, look for Shortcut Keys and expand that as well. This area is where you'll assign new commands to your keyboard shortcuts. Next, take a look towards the bottom of the dialog box. Here, you'll find the command list. This list contains all commands available in AutoCAD, and it's from here that you'll choose the command you want to assign to a shortcut. Use the search bar to find the specific command you have in mind. For example, let's say you want to create a shortcut for the rectangle command. Once you find the command, simply drag it over to the Shortcut Keys section. This action will link your chosen command with the keyboard shortcut you'll create. After you've dragged the command to the Shortcut Keys section, click on it to open its properties. Within this window, you'll see an Access section. It's here your eyes should be drawn to the key label, which has a small icon with 3 dots next to it. Clicking this icon brings up the option to enter a new shortcut. This process isn't as daunting as it sounds. Simply press the key combination you'd like to use as your shortcut. If the combination you picked is already in use for another command, don't fret. AutoCAD will warn you, giving you the opportunity to pick another combination before you finalize your choice. This feature is handy to prevent conflicts that could lead to confusion later on. Once you've entered your desired shortcut and verified it's available, click OK to confirm your selection. Don't forget to hit Apply after this to ensure that your settings are saved. Now it's time to test your new shortcut. Go ahead and try it out in your AutoCAD environment to make sure everything is working as expected. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful method to customize your AutoCAD experience with keyboard shortcuts. This customization not only saves you time, but also tailors your workspace to fit your unique style. Happy drafting!